Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can add an event section in Wix website editor. Okay, so let's begin. First, you want to place your cursor at the leftmost part of the screen. Okay, so here it is. Click Add Section and hover over Events right here. So click it, and then it will show you some options here, some templates of the event section. So just choose whatever you like from here. So let's say this one. If you click that, it will automatically be added to your page. Okay, so there you go. So it is added, and you can place there. Uh, you can place this anywhere on your page. Okay, so just click and drag it. Okay, so you can even edit the text, the picture, and also the button right here. Okay, so um, uh, yeah, you want to make sure that it is being reflected on your viewer's end. So place any of the sections of your page within this boundary, so it will surely assure you, yeah, that all of the contents of your page are being viewed by your audiences. Okay, some people use smaller screens and some people use wider screens. So if people use wider screens so they can see all parts of the screen, but on the other hand, if they use smaller screens, so they will be able to see what's in the inside of these boundaries. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.